It's my ancestry. That's what we are. We're Yiddish. Without Yiddish, we're not Yiddish. You know. Also, Yiddish is a language that is so, I guess because the Jews have lived through so much pain in their life, always being persecuted, you know. Jews have to have a sense of humor. We have to laugh. If we don't laugh, you know, it's tragic. Our history is tragic. Yeah. So, and the Yiddish keeps us together. I don't know, when I'm in a group of people that speak Yiddish, it's a whole other feeling than speaking any other language. And only if you're Yiddish, you can feel it. It's, Yiddish is my religion. Because I don't really believe in how to say, formal religion. Because to me, religion separates people. It's all the wars were religious wars. I believe in a higher spirit. I do believe in a God, if you want to call a God. I believe that there's something. It's not, we're not here just like that, you know. But what's the word for religion that is, I can't think
organized
of it. Organized religion. I don't believe in that. Because to me, it's man-made, man-written. God didn't write. I always say, God wasn't a fashion designer. He didn't design the stremels for the Jews, the saris for the Indians, the what do you call it, for the Arabs. I think if you're a good human being, tolerance, that's the most important word in the world. Tolerance. If you have tolerance and you accept people for what they are, you're a good human being, and you're religious. If you go to synagogue or to church every day and you're a robber or you're that doesn't make you religious to go and pray in a no. Religious is to be good to as good to your neighbor or your other human beings as you want to be, to treat others as the way you want to be treated yourself. Yeah. And that's religion to me. You know, everybody has. I don't criticize anyone. I mean, I can understand people being very religious, very orthodox, but I don't feel that I have to do that for God.